fans don't want their favorite artists to grow or evolve or try new things?
Everyone have their opinion, but that's why I say you gotta have tunnel vision. Things might be not going right for you today because you know it's the end of the light. Like you gotta think about 4 months from now. So all your moves, they can't see your moves right away. So in 2018, they don't see what I'm doing for 2019. So they're like, man, what is he doing? What is he doing? That don't mean make a move just because you get antsy and the people just not patient enough. You gotta wait. You know what I'm saying?
Write nothing down. I just straight to my ears, to the beat. That's when I started coming up with real smash hits. It made music start being easier for me when I stopped thinking it was all me. When I just let God really direct all my moves. Because when I do something, I say it, but I don't even know I was about to say that. He give me the words. He give me the power and the strength to say some of the things that I even say. I just think it's a higher power. It's most definitely not just me doing it. That's why it's good to listen to songs like the Beatles or Jimi Hendrix or Luther Vandross or was it Stevie Wonder or whoever it is, or Ozzy Osbourne. It's just listen to those melodies, having those melodies in your head so you can feed off of it. When they gonna pop back up in your head 2 years from now, or 3 years from now, you're like, man, where I get that from? Oh, that's that such and such.
Residuals. I want to be able to be 100% in control over my career. I don't want to work all these nights in the studio and somebody else get to say so for how I move, when I move, or when I drop. But I put myself in a position where I can tour. I don't have a touring deal, but I put myself where I got a business deal with the tour. When we 50-50, we got a buyout deal. There's certain deals that you can put in place.
Right.
Well, when you fill up these stands and you sell out, at sellout you get a bonus. But at sellout you might get a bonus, but your bonus ain't going to you. Your bonus been going to somebody else that whole time. When that bonus could have bought a house, that you ain't have to go in your show money to buy the house.
Wow.
So you start moving that money around and start maneuvering like, man, that bonus money could be them cars. That bonus money could be the jury that you don't even have to. Your show money could be all money you stack up. But now it's more a cat spending the show money and they not worried about at sellout. What you making off this, what you making off just VIP sales, or what you making off, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm getting 100% of everything, and then I break it down to who I want to break it down to.